Hello students, please welcome. Now join the physics classes with Rajiv sir. In the previous video, we discussed about polarization of light. Okay. In the next, in this present session, we discuss about law of Malus. We discuss about law of Malus. The law of Malus states that the intensity of light is directly proportional to the square of cosine angle between polarizer and the analyzer. The law of Malus states the intensity of light is directly proportional to the square of cosine angle mixed in between polarizer and analyzer, as I is directly proportional to cos square theta, as I is equal to I0 cos square theta, where I0 is called maximum intensity of light. If first case 1, if theta is equal to 0 degree, then I is equal to 0. If theta is equal to 90 degree, as cos 90 degree is equal to 0, so I is equal to 0. The second case, if theta is equal to 0 degree, cos 0 degree is equal to 1, so I is equal to I0. In this case, I is equal to I0. If the theta is equal to case 3, theta is equal to 45 degree, cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, so I is equal to I0 1 by root 2 square, so I is equal to I0 by 2. Fourth case, if theta is equal to 60 degree, cos 60 degree is equal to half, so I is equal to I0 by 4. These are the 4 cases of law of Malus. Now the next one is Brewster's law. We discuss about Brewster's law. Brewster's law states the angle of incidence at which the unpolarized light incident on the refracting surface get plane polarized light is called angle of polarization. Okay, when the unpolarized light fallen on the refracting surface is get plane polarized light, then such angle is called angle of polarization. Okay, this is the unpolarized light. The electric field, the dots represent the electric field and magnetic field. Get plane polarized light is unpolarized, it's mutually perpendicular. The dots represent the electric field and magnetic field which are mutually perpendicular to each other, and after that it gets plane polarized light, plane polarized. IP RP, as IP plus RP is equal to 90 degree, so RP is equal to 90 degree minus IP, or sin RP is equal to sin 90 degree minus IP, so sin RP is equal to cos IP, as mu is equal to sin I P by sin RP, so mu is equal to sin IP by cos IP, so mu is equal to 10 IP. So we also state the refractive index of the medium is equal to the tangent of polarizing angle. Okay, in the next session we discuss about polarization by scattering. Tell them goodbye. Okay.